We've all been there, scrolling through random YouTube videos trying to figure out how to make your YouTube channel take off, when in reality we're just feeding their YouTube channel more views to help them out. In this video, I'll show you how I got 3 million views in the last 28 days, and I'll genuinely help your channel take off, but you have to let me help you. Just give me 3 minutes of your time and you won't regret it. You've probably seen a Zach D Films video on YouTube. And that's where our first strategy begins. There is an option on almost every YouTube video to trim a segment of the video for up to 5 seconds, and then add your own content at the end. In the next minute, I'll explain how this changed my YouTube channel forever. Although it is frowned upon, if you cut a couple of his videos per day, I can guarantee you'll reach 1,000 subscribers within 2 months. Once you've gained enough of a following, your views will gradually increase. Just 2 months ago, I only had 5,000 subscribers. After beginning my strategy, I'm well over 12,000. If you didn't know already, I'm a cat channel, but I couldn't resist but help share these tips with you to help grow your channel. Now let's move on to the next step. Obviously, posting short videos is the best way to boost a small channel. If you're really not into taking other people's content, you really want to create your own content, and this step is for you. I spent 4 years on my channel getting absolutely no views. Just like you, I was wondering, what am I doing wrong? In fact, some of my videos were actually pretty good, but the problem is the right audience wasn't watching it. After studying the algorithm for months, I think I've found the secret to getting more views. See, on long form videos, YouTube will show your video to say like 10 people. If a higher percent of people click on the video, YouTube will realize it's a good video and show it to more people. However, if people click on your video and then click away right away, your video will most likely die without getting over 100 views. So when you get on your computer to upload a long video, make sure to make a really interesting title and thumbnail, and an intro that keeps them watching the whole video. And the final step to getting a successful channel on YouTube starts right here. In fact, I'm still working on that step. It's what we all dream of when we start YouTube. Earning money on creating videos that we love to make. To get paid money on YouTube, you have to get 10 million short views in the last 90 days or 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 365 days. This seems pretty daunting, but I have a strategy. For years, I always posted different types of videos, and the audience that watched one video wouldn't want to watch the other one. So the YouTube algorithm got confused and stopped showing my videos to people altogether. So it's very important you upload the same type of video. Like, don't change from a food review channel to a gaming channel, and so forth. Make sure all your videos have the same connection and the same thing in common. That way YouTube knows your audience and knows who to show it to. Your videos will get a lot more views. Anyways, go try all these steps. Comment on the video right before you do it how many subscribers you have, and then come back in a month and comment how your channel's doing then. I guarantee there will be a big difference. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video, and I really hope it helped you. Make sure to follow all these steps and your channel should take off.